at the engine bay, got the big Maggie on here. We're gonna have the full build list on our website. All of this looks awesome. We got the Rotofab intake. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report, and this car is supercharged with a monster Magnuson Supercharger on it. So we're gonna have the full build list on the website. Starting with the front right wheel though. Looking for any curb rash or damage. Looks like we have a little bit of rash right here. It's yellow, so they probably clipped a curb. NT555 G2 tires, 265 35/20s here on the front. Looking at this fender, a couple rock chips. The rest of that looks good. That side mirror looks amazing. A-pillar looks good. Here on this lower section, of course, it has rock impacts, a couple chips. You do have film down here protecting this section. The rest of the quarter panel looks good. That wheel's nice and clean. They are 305 30/20s. Then looking at the front end, starting with the corner over here, we do have a gash with some yellow transfer. Got a gash right there, a couple chips. Of course, you're gonna have your everyday rock impacts here. We have some rash on this underside. You have a graze mark here. And then you're gonna see the rock impacts. Got our larger chip here. A couple more every once in a while. Got one right there. Now looking on the hood, got a larger chip there. And a couple minor ones throughout. And it looks like some bird poop sat on here and etched the paint. Then here on this wheel, it looks really good. Fender looks good. Got a rock chip here. Little imperfections here on this pillar. You do have PPF on the door edge, but it looks like it tore off. A couple impacts there. A few rock chips every once in a while, kind of peppered in this area. That wheel looks good. A couple imperfections here. Then here on the back, got the upgraded spoiler, kind of a satin finish. You do have holes here where you could put the other little insert. You have a spot here from, looks like bird poop sat on it too long and etched the paint. Got a scratch here. You can see this bumper was trimmed out to fit the dual exhaust. Everything else though looks really good. Then looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got a little scuff here, but the rest of that trim looks amazing. Got a small scuff there. Looking at that bolster, very clean. Cushion is nice and firm. A little bit of wear here, but otherwise that looks nice. You can see a little bit of stains right there. Then here on the steering wheel, you can see some wear. Makes its way around. You can see a couple scuffs on this lower section. See the wear right there. Got the paddle extensions. That screen looks good. You do have some scratches on top of the shifter. Everything else, though, looks really good. Then looking at this door panel, looks perfect. Kick plate area, you got a small scuff. Got the all-weather mat. Few stains in the seat. I don't see any rips or tears. Bolsters look good. This side of the console is nice and clean. The dash looks good. Glove box is clean.